Audi begins production of the renamed next-generation Q8 e-tron in Belgium. Audi announced today that the first new Q8 e-trons have begun rolling off the assembly line at its Brussels, Belgium plant. Audi decided to give the e-tron SUV a shiny new nameplate in addition to a thorough update of the vehicle's appearance and technology to make it fit better within the lineup. Hello everyone, welcome. This is Real Channel Automotive, a place to help you understand the world of automotive mobility. Please subscribe our channel to receive future updates. Audi has increased the size of the EV's base battery pack by 29%, from 69 kilowatt-hours to 89 kilowatt-hours with the update. This gives the SUV a range of up to 307 miles in its regular body shape, and up to 316 miles in its sleeker sportback body style. A larger 106 kilowatt-hours battery pack is also available, giving the SUV a range of up to 364 miles and the sportback a range of up to 375 miles. In its most powerful form, the SQ8 e-tron, its twin motors produce 496 horsepower and 718 pound-feet of torque. Audi is as excited about the performance improvements as it is about the electric SUV being certified net carbon neutral. This is due to the plant in Belgium, where it is manufactured, and it is an honor that the previous e-tron SUV also shared. Since 2012, the factory has used green energy, and it recently added 107,000 square meters of solar panels to its roof. Every year, the system generates 9,000 megawatt-hours of power, which is enough to charge 90,000 Q8 e-trons. It also contributes to the avoidance of 1,881 tons of carbon pollution each year. Since May, the plant has only used green-powered freight trains to transport goods in and out of the facility, and Audi's battery cell supplier is required to use renewable energy when producing the batteries for the Q8 e-tron. Order books for the newly christened electric SUV have opened in some European markets, and it is expected to arrive in showrooms near the end of February. Meanwhile, Americans will have to wait a little longer, as the Audi Q8 e-tron will be available in the United States in April.
We at Audi think in terms of transformation in 360 degrees, on the road to become a provider of sustainable mobility. It is of utmost importance to create a sustainable value chain, from the first manufacturing process until the handover to our customers and the end of life of our car. We do our best to continuously improve all processes. When it comes to the Audi Q8 e-tron, we have a perfect example for an end-to-end CO2 neutral value chain. Let's start at the CO2 neutral production site in Győr. The electric drive of the all-new Audi Q8 e-tron will be produced at the Hungarian site with the largest on-site rooftop solar panel park in Europe. Audi Hungary is also the biggest user of geothermal energy in the country. CO2 neutral electric drive production in all steps, based on renewable energy, fully electric, high level of automation. And when we talk about a holistic approach, we mean it. We continuously improve the energy efficiency of all our autonomous, fully electric driving transport systems at our factory, as well as all equipment and packaging. We constantly increase the share of reusable packaging and use new packaging technologies. Connecting the different steps within a production network is one of the key factors. We also started the delivery of battery modules by CO2 neutral train in 2022 from Hungary to Brussels. Arriving in Brussels. Since 2018 worldwide, the first certified carbon-neutral high-volume premium production facility. e-mobility, sustainability, and digitalization everywhere. We use progressive technology for the top model of the electric SUV segment. We make a clear statement with every step of the production. Perfection into the smallest details, from battery manufacturing to powertrain assembly until the wedding. And at the end of the journey, we create a masterpiece. The brand new Audi Q8 e-tron. At Audi, we define sustainability to be a clear competitive advantage. Within the Audi production network, we create a clear path towards sustainable production and push towards zero emissions.